All right, guys, I'm gonna be doing some reverse crunches. And I was doing 3 sets of 10, just lifting my legs up, and yeah, didn't really seem to be doing a whole lot of work. So I'm gonna grab a little 5-pound weight. I'm gonna hold it between my ankles and just see how that goes. If that's still too easy, I'll go up to 8, 10 pounds, 15, whatever. Just maybe you don't have, I have some ankle weights, but it's kind of heavy for what I need right this second. So I'm using this little dumbbell. So I'm just kind of improvising. So, do what you can. Improvise. You may not always have the best equipment or the best scenario, but you can make do with the best that you have. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. Yeah, it's fairly easy. Wasn't killing me. So I'm gonna go ahead and go grab that little 8-pound weight here in a sec. Bum, bum, ba, da, 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 da. I don't know, I had the Monday Night Football song in my head. All right. So 5 pounds was easy, so grab my wife's little 8-pound weight. Oh my God, I could curl this for hours. Buster. He's just sitting at the door whining. He wants to go back in and lay on the couch and snuggle. Now, who doesn't want to snuggle? Snuggle little baby watching cartoons. Even doggies like to sit there and watch cartoons. Okay, let's do another set. You won't regret doing another set. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, we're starting to get somewhere. It made me feel a way, feel a certain kind of way. But you can go ahead and grab the 10. Maybe my ankle weights are, best for right now. All right, 10-pound weight. If this doesn't work, I just go to the damn ankle weights. watching my cat poop and then Barry's poop. It's funny. All right. Gonna take another breath and then we'll go. Okay. Okay, not bad. But I do think I'm still gonna go ahead and go up to my stupid ankle weights. I was hoping this was gonna be hard enough, but apparently I need something to grind me into two. All right, guys. Gonna go do some barbell rows. Oy, 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 oy. All right, guys, come work out with me. Subscribe, share, comment, like.